Is that no, Lindy? I did not see that before.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Space, dude!
Oh, baka masakol ako. Oh, ay, makalayo.
No, Liana.
2 cents! Mom, they're just resting with the thing on.
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
Liana.
Can we spar?
Hey.
Mama, can we spar?
Go, but no
Come on,
hurting.
Lee, come on.
No hurting, okay?
No contact. Let it go.
Look at this.
Boom.
Natural. Natural.
Ooh, he said he's a weapon now.
What about lapad
It's a
muka?
very weapon.
Huh? What about the lapad muka? It is lapad muka. I guess lapad muka. Eh?
I'll bite your small brain. Sarap.
Lapad muka.
Mommy, I get this pillow because
Moon,
I
Gia.
get this pillow because I'm small.
Okay, that's it. You pushed me too far. Yeah, I did the gold one. Yeah, we have a lot. Where'd I put it?
Okay, sit down there.
Okay.
You guys want more with it?
Who wants
I'm
more?
gonna carve this now, okay?
O, buksan yung dalawa.
Ito kami kina Ina. Yun yung ano.
Sit down, baby.
Yung first lady. First lady.
Baby, you take picture.
Ay,
O,
hindi
you take
luto.
picture. Ha? Sipain kita. Ilang oras na.
Excuse me.
Ilang oras na nakaano yan eh.
Mambe.
Look, Jellica!
Ingatan mo naman mukha niya na.
Tanggalin natin yung ano.
Big chef.
Tito Ami needs some room.
Yeah.
Come here, Jay.
Wow, this is my favorite part.
Oh, the ano?
The wing.
Babae kaya yan? Lalaki.
How would you know?
Ano mo, kung may butas yung puwet. Kung malaki butas ng puwet.
Saan na ang ang ano nito?
Turkey.
Yung
Lalaki.
Hermes.
Alin no, yung
Bakla.
puwet?
Nawala, no?
Nawala yata yung ano, yung tail.
Eh, siyempre, ikaw ba naman yung oven eh?
Look at its butt. See?
Nasaan?
Up there.
Nawala eh.
So, puro 20 kilo?
Medyo.
Look, you know what?
Oh, maano
Wala bang
lang.
electric?
Hindi oh, yung ano na lang kukunin ko, yung isa.
Duki. Duki.
Wow naman.
Look.
Naman ang
Say hi. Uchi. Nalabas na ng hiya pa.
Eh, tingnan ko matalim yan.
Okay. Move,
Patigam
guys.
sa kanya.
Whoa!
Daddy.
You put, gravy, Angelica, put some gravy.
Wait,
Where's Nanay? Nay! Step in.
Hmm.
May nabibili ng maming turkey na stuff na. Ewan ko lang. Butterball din.
with gravy.
Yung mga American style. Baka hindi
Go.
natin type yun.
Okay guys,
I want the skin too.
go get the
It's mine?
plates
That was
now.
mine? Okay.
Kain na
Thank you.
tayo.
Thanks.
Where's Lindy? I
Ano
thought
ako, may
he was
na ako yung
hungry.
beer. Kanina pa yung beer ko. Tinan mo.
Yeah, do you have the spoon, forks and spoon there?
Yes.
Where's your ate?
Where are you?
Boom, 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 boom.
You like the white
Where's
meat,
everyone?
guys?
Yan, seasoning. Ay, ano yung ating stuffing?
Nanay wants a little bit skin to eat and then put some.
What else there? Do you want macaroni? Shrimp?
Linggo!
Nay?
Una!
Nung kuha na plato mo doon.
I-slice ko lang. Which one you want, anak? Oh, the skin!
Sino yan? Sino?
Belly.
Ito yung stuffing. Go get your plate.
Kay Jelly?
Go get your plate.
Stuffing.
Ay.
Luki?
What do you want, Duki? Naku, tago.
Bigyan ng makeup. You go Sir, go get Tita Ina's makeup. Come on, you go.
Go, papakilaman niya yan.
She knows how to put it on. Come on, you go.
Now you eat first. See, everybody's eating. Look.
Oh, there's a lot of ulams.
Napkin ang punas ha. Napkin. Let me take it.
Stuffing niya. Wow.
Yan, macaroni.
Pagkahiwa mo, parang binasa gilingan.
Oo, nadudulog eh.
Hindi, ayos yan.
Concept way lang to eh.
Get a little of everything, babe.
Ayan. Yan.
Sunday. What do you want for your wedding? Alright! Turuan to, turuan. Yun ang nasasabihin ko eh. Pag may nagsabi sa inyo, kung anong gusto, pera.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's how Bibi was raised.
At least sila masusunod.
Hindi, para kung ano yung gusto nila, yun ang mabibili.
Oo, yun ang mabibili nila.
Bibili mo na.
Hey,
Oh, let me
kaya.
arrange you that.
Muna kayo.
Angelica, ano eating mo?
Other side better.
Ha?
Balik eh.
Other side better.
Taki.
I like this side.
Sige, eat ikaw, baby ko. Aray ko, Liana.
Parang lekson, no?
Go to Nanay. See what Nanay is doing. Come on, Nay. Come on.
That extends beyond the lifetime.
Dali, dali.
Translation and emotional impact.
Subo, baby ko.
A beautiful warning.
Liana.
Sa kabilang buhay, papatayin pa rin kita. Kahit mabuhay ka pa muli. Mabuhay ka muli.
What, Liana?
Sheila Israel.
Don't, your hands. You already, ano?
Bigyan si Ina lang.
Aray ko.
Oo,
Paper, hindi naman
buhay ko na kapurihan ko nakasalalay dito pag nag-uwi ako eh.
Bukas pag
Nahalawa ko rin yung... Hindi ko kumain, Anet.
If it's moving, if you're wondering why it's so jiggly, Lindy's filming. Go eat, Lindy. Look at yourself.
Ito, Tita Ina, what do you want? What do you want? Ha? You want makeup? Ay, nako.
You want to eat?
I don't go. Ay, nay.
Something hard action comedy movie ng taon. Pag sinabi mo,
Lindy is still filming. Say hi, Mike.
subukan mo.
You can eat over there.
Dahil hindi na rin sila nag-uwi.
Ayaw. You want Belly. Sinuki, not belly.
Sabi ba ako, hindi maganda?